Have you ever heard of the legendary blood rain of Kerala? Imagine a sudden downpour that stains everything it touches a deep, unsettling red. In 2001, this bizarre event captivated the world when rain in the Indian state of Kerala turned crimson, leaving scientists and locals baffled. Initially dismissed as a freak occurrence, the phenomenon persisted for weeks, with sporadic red showers continuing over the years. Researchers discovered that the rainwater contained microscopic red particles, which some initially speculated were extraterrestrial in origin. Further studies revealed these particles were actually spores from a local lichen-forming alga, yet the mystery of their exact dispersal mechanism remains unsolved. The blood rain of Kerala stands as a vivid reminder that even in our age of scientific enlightenment, nature can still surprise us with its enigmatic wonders.